First, let's take a look at the Grab toolbar and see what options are available for taking screenshots and recording your screen. Starting at the top of the menu, you can choose where to save your file. I default to desktop and then just drag and drop the file where I need it. However, you can save it to your Documents folder, open a mail or text message, open it in QuickTime, or choose another location that suits your needs. Next, you can set a countdown timer when the capture will start. If you want to start immediately after starting the capture, you can choose None. Or, to give yourself some time, you can choose a countdown of 5 or 10 seconds. When the countdown gets to 0, your capture will begin. If you are recording a voiceover or background noise, you can choose a microphone from the list of available microphones, or choose None if you do not want to use a microphone. Last, you have the options Show Floating Thumbnail, which will minimize the capture and display a thumbnail at the bottom right corner of your screen. Remember, last selection will keep the selection ratio of your last capture selection. The last option, Show Mouse Clicks, allows you to choose whether or not to show mouse clicks during a screen recording. If you are doing a screenshot, the option will change to Show Mouse Pointer. Next, let's look at capture and record options before we walk through them. Screen record options are Record Select Portion and Record Entire Screen. Screen capture options are Capture Selected Portion, Capture Selected Window, and Capture Entire Screen. Let's see these in action, and then we will preview the recordings and captures. Click on the Search magnifying glass, type in Grab, and hit Enter. The first record option we will use is Record Select Portion. You will see a dashed line that you can resize to fit your recording area. Let's resize. Click Record. And perform an action. To stop recording, click the Stop Record button at the top of the screen in your toolbar. Now, we will record entire screen. If you have a dual or more display setup, when you hit the record button, you will be provided with a list of displays. You can choose which display you would like to record. As you hover over each display option, you will see that display highlighted so you know which screen you are recording. I will choose Display 2 and record an action. Again, to stop recording, click the Stop Record button at the top of the screen in your toolbar. Moving on to screen capture, we will acquire screenshots in 3 different modes. Capture Selected Portion, again, provides you with an area you can resize to fit your selected area. Let's resize, and then click Capture. Capture Selected Window allows you to screen capture any window you have open. As you can see, I have 3 windows open across 2 displays, and as I hover over each window, they are highlighted so I know which window is activated for capture. Now I can click on that window to capture it. Last, Capture Entire Screen will capture what is showing on the active display. Again, the active display will be highlighted as you hover over it to show which screen will be captured. Then click to capture. Now let's see what we recorded and captured. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. If you have a need for screencasting services for your website, application, or software, you will find a Life in General Productions information in the description area below.